This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kim Johnson. Hurry for this beautifully remodeled, carefree, 4-bedroom/3 full bath 1-story home with open living space and 2 master bedrooms with private baths. High quality vinyl siding and gutters recently installed by the seller. Remodeled bathrooms, vinyl windows, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, cabinets, wood flooring, new roof and windows, TRANE HVAC, all in 14. There is even a freestanding wood stove. Fantastic, very spacious privacy fenced backyard with a concrete playground complete with a very sturdy swing set, 2 sheds, lots of lawn and flower beds plus a covered patio. Enjoy the oversized driveway and extra parking pad, too. Located in a quiet cul-de-sac close to I-264, Mount Trashmore and Town Center. There is something for every family member to love. A quick closing is possible. Move right in and make many happy memories here. For more information,